Saira, my dear children of class 5, welcome to today's maths revision class. Let us start today's class by chanting Omkar 3 times. Om, Dear children, today we are going to start our revision class with the help of a video. Okay? Let us watch the video.
Today, let us solve some multiplication story problems and also revise how to write the statements. A water tank supplies 25,03,854 liters of water to Hilltop Society every day. How many liters of water are used by the society in the month of February 2013? Now, to understand the problem well and to know how to write the statements, ask these questions. What is 25,03,854? And what is 28? The answers to these questions will help us form the statements for the solution. 25,03,854 liters of water was supplied to Hilltop Society every day. So we write the statement as amount of water supplied in liters every day, 25,03,854. Now, 28 are the number of days in the month of February 2013. So, we write the statement as total number of days 28. Now, let us multiply these numbers to get the product which will be our answer.
Children, observe carefully the multiplication process.
Thus, 7,01,07,912 liters of water was supplied to the society in the month of February 2013. Let us solve one more multiplication story. Simran earns 15,893 rupees every month. How much does she earn in a year? Here, we need to ask the questions. What is 15,893? What is 12? To write the statements. Now, let us begin solving the problem. Money earned every month, rupees 15,893. Number of months in a year, 12. Now, let us multiply these numbers to get the answer.
Children, observe the multiplication carefully.
Thus, Simran earns 1,90,716 rupees in a year. Wow! We learned solving multiplication stories and writing statements so quickly.
Okay, children, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. Now we are going to solve some questions of our own. Okay, with the help of a worksheet. Okay, children. Can you see the worksheet? Yes or
Yes,
no?
ma'am. Multiplication. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, yes. I have prepared
Multiplication
some
word
questions
problem.
for you. Yes. For more clarification. Okay. Multiplication word problems related to months. First question is related to months. Let us read the question very carefully and understand. Soman's daily earning is rupees 455. If that means he earns 455 rupees in one day. Daily means per day, one day. If he works all days in the month of July except for Sundays, how much will he earn? Children, do you know the meaning of this word except? Except for Sundays means he works all the days in the month of July except for Sundays. So how many days are there in July? You know it. 31 days are there in July. So except Sundays means for Sundays को छोड़कर. That means that 4 days we have to remove from 31 days of July. Okay. That means how many days he is working? He is working for 31 minus 4 Sundays. 28 days he works and every day he gets 455 rupees. Okay. This is our question. How much will he earn in the month of July? Okay. Solution. So ask in the video, we have to ask this question. What is this? 455. 455 is Soman's daily earning. So in short, I wrote daily earning is equal to rupees 455. Who is earning this? Somansh is earning this. Okay. Then what is 28 days he works in July? Okay, so this number 31, 28 are not here in the question. So we have to think and find it out. So how this 28 came? 28 is this 31 minus 4 Sundays. That is 28 days. That means 28 days he is working. He works every day. 28 days he works. So his earning in the month is equal to 455 into 28. 455 into 28 multiplication. You can do it very easily. So I have written this much. 455 into 28. Children, you have to complete this multiplication. You know it. So when you do it, you will get this answer. If you get some other answer, you try your multiplication once again and find out some mistake is done or not. For your clarification, I have given you the answer. Okay, so this part you have to do. Then after getting the answer, we will write a sentence. So you can write Somansh also. So Somansh earns rupees 12,740 rupees in the month of July. In the month of July, it's up to you. So you can make slight changes wherever you need. In your language, in your way, you can write the statements. Okay, children, you got the idea? In this question, the main point is this. You should know how many
Yes, ma'am.
days in each month. How many days in each month? If you do not know, it is a class 2 lesson. If you do not know, you will make a mistake here. So you should have that knowledge. How many days are there in each month? If you forgot, you have to revise and learn. Okay. Otherwise, you will know the method, but you will make a mistake. Okay, children? So now we are going to another question. In a tailor's shop, 256 shirts are stitched in a day. In a tailor shop, it's a big shop, 256 shirts are stitched in a day. How many shirts will be stitched in 3 weeks if 3 Sundays were holidays? Sorry, here it should be R. If 3 Sundays are holidays. That means we have to calculate for 3 weeks. 1 week you should know how many days are there. How many days are there in 1 week? 7 days. So in 3 weeks, 3 weeks means 3 sevens are 21 days. Out of 3 weeks, 3 days are holidays. From 21, 3 days are holidays. So how many working days are there? 21 minus 3. Okay. And in this working days, every day 256 shirts are stitched. Okay. Now we will go to the solution part. So let us think, what is this 256 shirts? Number of shirts stitched in a day. Shirts stitched in a day. If you want, you can write number of shirts stitched in a day. How many? 256. Then working days in 3 weeks. In 3 weeks, how many days they do the tailoring work? So 21 days are there in 3 weeks, but 3 days are holidays. So 18 days are working days. So working days are 18. And every working day, 256 shirts are made. So shirts stitched in 18 days, 256 into 18. You have to do this multiplication, children. You know it. In 2-step multiplication, 3 digit into 2 digit. So when you do it, you will get this number as answer. This is just for confirming your answer. Do yourself, you will arrive at this answer. Okay. Then, so you will write finally. So 4,608 shirts will be stitched in 3 weeks. Okay, children, got it?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
get some idea? Yes. Now, some questions are here for you to try. They are comparatively smaller and easier also. Still, you can try. Okay, first one. So I will explain it, but you will solve the answer. Somu had 256 coconuts. He sold his coconuts for rupees 25 each. How much money did he get? That means total number of coconuts, how many he had? Number of coconuts he had? 256. And he sold one coconut for 25 rupees. So cost of one coconut, rupees 25. So after selling all the coconuts, how much money will he get? Money, see here, money he gets. Money he gets equal to 256 into 25. You can write and multiply and get the answer. And finally, you will get the answer. Dash number of dash rupees. Then you will write. So he gets dash rupees by selling 256 coconuts. Got the idea? Listen carefully, then you can solve. Okay, sir.
Yes,
Now we are going to another question. Arjun is a painter. He earns rupees 450 daily. His daily wages is 450 rupees. Find his total earning if he worked every day, no holiday, every day in June and July. In the two, he is a very hardworking painter. He did not take even a single holiday in the month of June and July. So he worked continuously every day. Then how much money he will earn? Here 2 months are there. So you see what I have told some time before. You should know how many days are there in June. Children, how many are there? 30 days.
30.
And July?
31.
July 31 days. So June 30 and July 31. So together, but he did not take any holiday. So June 30 days working and July 31 days working. Together, how many days working? 30 plus 31 is 61 days he will get payment. 61 days he will get payment. 1 day, 450 rupees. So 61 days, how much? What will you do? 450 into 61. Now, matter is, How do you write the steps? His, Arjun's daily, see here it is there, Arjun's daily earning equal to rupees 450. And number of working days, number of days he worked, you can write in your English. Okay, number of days he worked in June and July together. Number of working days in June and July together, 30 plus 31. How much? 61 days. Okay, next step is money he earned in 2 months. Money he earned in 2 months. Then you will write 450 into 61. You can do the multiplication, write and multiply. Then you will get a big amount. Okay, then what we will write finally? So Arjun earns, or Arjun earned rupees dash rupees in the 2 months. Okay, children, you can make slight variation in the steps, no problem. Okay, understood? I hope you understood. Okay, try to write. Okay, try to
Yes, ma'am.
solve it in your
Yes, ma'am.
note. Okay. Now one more question for you. Cost of a book is rupees 468. How much money will a bookseller pay if he buys 25 copies of the same book? One book cost rupees 468 and a bookseller buys 25 copies of the same book. Okay, then if the book is same, price will be the same. So how much money the bookseller have to pay? That is our question. What will you do? 468 into 25. This is more easier, no? Direct. Okay, then what will you write in the form of steps? Cost of a book. Very easy. It is given equal to rupees 468. Then cost of 25 books. Cost of 25 books equal to 468 into 25. You can multiply, write and multiply, then you will get the answer. Then you can finally write. So 25 copies of the book cost dash rupees. Okay, children, got it? These 3 questions.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, read it.
Yes, ma'am.
Then listen to the video and then solve it yourself. Are you able to do that? Yes, children?
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
you do?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, definitely. I know you will do very nicely and correctly. Okay, shall we stop the class today here? Yes, children?
Yes,
Okay.
yes, ma'am.
Yes. Let us join our hands for Shanti Path. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Bye, children. We will meet tomorrow in the next video. Take care.